I have just opened up a new trade on Bitcoin, and in this exact video I will talk about why I have just did that, and more importantly I will talk about the most important charts, the most important data, and many more important stuff we need to discuss right now in today's update video. So don't forget to once again slap up that like button, back over 400 likes. That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And yes, once looking at the imminent short term of Bitcoin, we can currently see that Bitcoin indeed had a massive turn down, and basically after we turn down here, we are currently still trading in fact in an uptrend, and we're still in fact trading in a higher low structure, and we're still holding this upward sloping support line. One thing to really worry about is potentially the CME gap that we did create here on the lower side, sitting around 27.2k. Yeah, so far we've been not retesting this level exactly, but yes, we were very close by filling it up here. But be on high alert. Yeah, since we are creating a CME gap, I won't be surprised that we are potentially going to be filling it up. CME gaps, they don't always get filled up, but they tend to get filled up here. So it's an approximately 95% chance it is going to get filled up right here. And yes, looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame, many people are actually worrying about Bitcoin. Many people are actually panicking about Bitcoin, and many are saying Bitcoin is probably going to go lower. But in my opinion, we are currently actually sitting at a very important level of support, and it's not purely from the 4-hourly time frame, and we'll talk about that in a second. So on that 4-hourly time frame, you can currently see this is major resistance. Here as well, we got majorly rejected from it. Here as well, we saw two massive rejections, and the point we broke above this level, we had massive follow through, and right now we are retesting this exact level once again here, and I won't be surprised to actually start to see a very big bounce from off this level back towards the upside. So definitely looking forward towards this level here. I mean, currently we're looking at the retest, and yeah, I'm just super excited to see a bounce from off this level back towards the upside. Further on, we can currently see here is that Bitcoin is creating a downward sloping trend here, and actually the moment we broke above it was 2 days ago here, because 2 days ago, first of all, we create a bigger wick, but more importantly, we create a higher daily candle close. We clearly broke above the previous range high in the market, and this is right now suggesting that we are actually trading in an uptrend again here, and that is why I am currently so excited about Bitcoin. And I mean, if you were to be looking and doing your analysis on the market right now here, I think that this is the best chart, because this chart tells it all here. So you can currently clearly see Bitcoin clearly got rejected from that 28,000 US dollar and that previous low in the market. I'm saying range low of the market from this consolidation range here on the top side, and we got clearly rejected from of that level, and currently we're finding some support on 27.2k, also the exact level that I opened up my long position, what was a perfect entry by the way so far. And the reason why I looked at this level and thought, oh, this is a good buying opportunity, is because not only previously around it got us massively rejected, here as well we saw a massive rejection, here as well a massive rejection, and right now for the first time we finally seen a retest of this level, and Bitcoin has been successfully bouncing from off this level so far. So I'm quite excited, and I'm quite sure that this is a very important level that we're probably going to hold on towards. However, if we do fail to hold this level and we break below it, then I am actually thinking we're going to be breaking back in towards the lower range, and then I will be expecting Bitcoin potentially could be going back towards the range low here, sitting around 24.8k here. So yes, if we do break this critical support right here, I won't be surprised if Bitcoin is actually going to see a bigger downturn in price. So holding this price is definitely going to be a super important factor in the market. I mean, another thing that's super important is of course the funding rates, because yes, currently the funding rates remain to be super negative, what means that people are actually willing right now to pay a premium to actually short the market. And I mean, if you are interested in trading, I have just opened up this new trade here on the market, and for everyone who's wondering, 5 hours before I entered the trade, I showed this setup to everyone out there on Twitter, so don't forget to follow me on Twitter, and of course if I see a better opportunity I will share it also on YouTube. But this is of course a smaller little trade here that I'm taking on the market that I will probably close fairly soon here to locking like $1,000 or $2,000 in profit. So if you want to be staying up to date, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course if you're interested in trading, don't forget to go to the link in the description of today's video, because right now if you sign up an account using that link below here, you can actually claim a free $1,000 US Bitcoin airdrop position, and all you need to do here is sign up an account using the link below, deposit $100 and complete KYC, and then you can already claim this insane deposit bonus on XRP or Bitcoin to claim a free $1,000 US. So that is of course absolutely insane. And of course, if you're actually looking at the daily time frame, I start to see maybe this rejection is bigger than it was after all, because you can clearly see right here as well, massive rejection, massive rejection, massive rejection, again another rejection. And I mean, right now we're still holding up the price quite well, but indeed we have seen another quite a significant rejection in my opinion. And of course, looking actually at the EMA ribbon, we have clearly broken above it, and the point we're going to flip bullish is going to be the point where of course things are going to be looking a little bit more bright. But currently we have been broken above the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame, what is also actually quite a good development in my opinion. Then another definitely very good development is of course the super trend indicator that just flipped bullish. And I mean, if we're going to be looking at all the last times that the super trend indicator flipped bullish here, it was here at the beginning point, boom, of this rally towards the upside. It was at the beginning point, boom, of this rally. It was the beginning point of this rally as well. And right now again, the super trend indicator is flipping bullish. What is happening next here? I mean, yes, sometimes we get some fake outs. We saw it in the last bear market, of course, that we did saw some fake outs. But usually the super trend indicator is indicating and telling us a very interesting story. And usually it's a very good opportunity in the end of the day here. So yeah, I'm super excited about the super trend indicator flipping bullish right now here. But of course, still the biggest thing to be looking at is of course that 3-day time frame, because yes, Bitcoin got a massive rejection from the downward sloping resistance line, and the point where I would really start to say okay, Bitcoin is going to be moving big down or big up, it's going to be at the point that this is going to be breaking out here. I mean, the bullish price target is sitting around $62,000, so that's absolutely insane, and I just can't wait for this breakout to be happening on the market. I just have to be a little bit more patient. And of course, on the 4-day time frame, you can clearly currently see that this is not the region to be panicking, this is the region actually to be accumulating. And I mean, yes, we potentially could be creating a W pattern if Bitcoin bounces back towards that $32,000 US barrier, and then we could be creating an even better trading setup. So get ready for that. I will be definitely looking out for that as well here. And yes, potentially as well, we could be creating this bull flag on the weekly time frame, what is also absolutely insane here. I mean, on the weekly time frame, looking at Bitcoin, things look relatively calm here. I mean, it's just been another normal development in this market. So yeah, I am not really surprised. So yeah, I'm still just super excited about Bitcoin. Quick update on Ethereum, because looking at Ethereum is not much different to Bitcoin right now here actually. And Ethereum is also creating a massive consolidation phase, and it's just moments before this level is going to be breaking out. And once it breaks out here, it's going to be having a massive breakout, so get ready for that one as well here. Zooming out, you can clearly see the price is getting squeezed up here. The support is every single time we retested it, we bounced from it very significantly. We did it as well a few days ago here, and I mean, we once again retested the resistance and we once again got rejected. And I mean, you could even extend this level right here to the top side. You can see that this resistance line even has got more significance than it already had. So definitely insane for Ethereum, and I'm looking forward towards how it's going to be playing out. But anyways, this is it for me in today's update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.